Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. And for today's video, we're not going to be going out anywhere, but instead I thought I'll be answering some of the most commonly asked questions and also giving you an update as to what is the current situation like here in Goa, and also whether or not you should be planning to come down. If you do like the video, give us a big thumbs up, and also please feel free to comment below with your questions, and I'll be more than happy to answer them. And also comment below and let me know what are the things that I should be covering. Give me suggestions. This will help us give you information and also help my channel grow. So if you haven't subscribed as yet, please do subscribe to this channel and also click the notification bell to be notified as and when I come up with lots of other videos as well. So the most common asked question is whether or not you need an RT-PCR test to enter Goa. The answer is yes, you do need an RT-PCR test, a negative certificate, in order for you to actually enter Goa, and this is irrespective of whether you are traveling by flight, by road, or even by your own vehicle. So the test has to be valid within 72 hours from the time you actually take your swab test. Right, so you have to make sure that you are at the Goa borders within the 72 hours. If not, then it's not valid and you wouldn't be allowed to actually enter Goa. And the second thing is that what if you have completed both of your doses, your vaccination doses? Do you still need to have a COVID negative certificate? The answer is yes. So until I think about a few days back, it was okay. Goa was allowing all those of the people that have completed 2 doses, and they were allowed to enter into Goa without a negative certificate. But now the policy has changed. So even if you have completed 2 doses of your vaccine, you still need to produce your negative certificate at the border. So that's something that has changed. So the next question is about casinos. Whether or not are casinos open, are they functional? So it is not, unfortunately. So we haven't heard as to when will it open and stuff like that. So, but at this point in time, it is closed. And besides that, the next question is about your restaurants. So as of now, restaurants are open from 7 in the morning until 9 p.m. And your dine-in is only at 50% of the capacity. And Swiggy is allowed for your takeaways. The next question that I keep getting asked is about the weather. What is the current weather like in Goa at this point in time? So the weather is quite unpredictable. We do have slight showers now and then. Like few weeks ago, it was absolutely crazy. It used to rain like literally from morning to until night, and almost like 24 hours. But now the rains are kind of subsiding and it's not all that heavy, but we do get some showers now and then, which is expected to probably finish by in a week's time or so. The next question is about beach shacks, whether or not are beach shacks open. Yes, there are few beach shacks that are open at this point in time. The ones that are really famous by the beach side are open, and again with 50% of the dine-in capacity. Now the things that are actually closed, or all of your water sports are closed, and then we have your casinos that are closed. We have the cruises that are closed at this point in time. And then we have all of these spa massages. All of these are closed, shut as well for the time being. And all of your night markets and all of that is also closed at this point in time. So a lot of you, if you want to know about the Goa Curfew, yes, the Goa Curfew is in place till the 2nd of August. And we have a curfew here from 7 in the morning until 7 in the evening. So that remains the same. Right, so the big question that most of you keep asking is it worth for me to even come down to Goa? Many of you are actually planning to come down for a vacation, etc. Well, Goa at this point in time is shut for tourism. You can come down to Goa, however, only and only if it is absolutely necessary, your travel is allowed. And also I think, safety comes first for everyone. So you need to keep in mind that at this point in time, the nightclubs and everything, the nightlife in Goa is completely shut. So it's actually pointless even if you plan to come down, unless if you have a business plan or something that or maybe if it is for a medical visit or something like that, then I would suggest that yes, you can probably come down. But otherwise, at this point in time, it's totally not worth even coming down because most of it is all shut and most of the places are shut. So that's it for now, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And for all those of you who are interested to know as to, how do you relocate to Goa, for those of you who are working from home, those who want to probably come down for 6 months to a year, until things settle back in your respective cities and then head back. So I will be making videos on the same because I have moved recently from Bangalore to Goa, and I can give you a complete guide as to, what are the things that you need to keep in mind. I will be also sharing some interesting, information such as what are the kind of rents and what are the areas that you should be choosing, what are the kind of internets that you need for all those of you who are working from home, because that is something which is very important. So if you want me to go ahead and make such videos, please do comment below. And if at all I do get a significant amount of response, then we will certainly go ahead and do such videos to help others as well. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now. Stay home and stay safe.